Just apply and wait. And you'll never waste time scrubbing your house walls again. That's right, everyone. If you've been dealing with slime or mold on your walls, especially during rainy seasons, you don't have to waste your time scrubbing them anymore. I'm gonna share a great tip so you can remove all that dirt without any effort. And it's actually pretty simple, guys. First, you're gonna need a container. Then go ahead and add some neutral dish soap. You can add about 7 ounces of dish soap to the container. Put it there. Next, we're gonna add baking soda, a well-known product to homemakers for its various uses. So let's add 2 tablespoons of baking soda here. Now we're also gonna need hydrogen peroxide volume 40. Make sure it's volume 40, okay? Let's add 2 tablespoons for this. And to finish, we're also gonna add some toothpaste. I'm using this brand, but feel free to use whatever you have at home. So add here just 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Then mix everything well until homogeneous. After mixing well, we're gonna transfer all this mixture to a spray bottle. This will make application much easier later. So open the spray bottle, then close it, and it's ready to use. Now let's get outside, so I can show you guys how to use this. Well folks, I'm already outdoors. This is an open area of my house. And during rainy seasons, there's nothing I can do. It accumulates a lot of slime and dirt here. And to remove all of this, you need to scrub a lot. You need to put in a lot of effort in order to remove this. But you don't really need to do that anymore. Just use our little mixture here. I'm gonna apply it only in this part to show you guys. So go ahead and apply it where you want to clean. And this mixture works to remove slime, mud, and also mold. Okay folks? If you have problem with mold inside the house, this mixture can also be a perfect solution. So after applying it, now you're gonna let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? After the time has passed, look how it has already removed all the slime. We didn't apply here, as you can see, but look where we apply it. See how it has removed all that dirt? Now grab a sponge and using the yellow side, without making any effort, just look how the dirt comes off pretty easily. You can even use a rag to do this. Just grab a rag and remove all the excess product. And look, without making any effort, you can remove all the dirt. So after cleaning with the sponge, removing any excess, now go ahead and wash it with water. And now look how wonderful, folks. You can tell where the mixture was applied. See the difference here? That's fantastic. So that's it, everybody. If you have this problem at home, don't waste your time scrubbing and use strong products anymore. Try this at home and I'm sure you'll be very happy with the result.